Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today, we're gonna cook taco spaghetti, and it's gonna be mighty fine, I tell you. Now, my wife calls it Missouri goulash, but I say it's taco spaghetti. Let's see what y'all think. Is it Missouri goulash, or is it taco spaghetti? Now let's get started. We're gonna start off with about 1.25 pounds of 85-15 ground round is what I'm using. You can use any kind of ground beef you would like. We're gonna go ahead and add in some cracked black pepper. About a teaspoon or so. Some cracked sea salt. And we'll go ahead and start breaking that meat up. We're gonna go ahead and add in some diced Vidalia onion. And this is about 1/2 of a small one. Probably about 1/2 cup of onion that we're adding in, and you can add more in if you'd like, and you can leave it out if you like, if you don't like it. Also about 1/2 cup of bell pepper, and this was about 1/2 of a green bell pepper. And we're just gonna stir it up and just let it cook, guys. Then once it gets brown, we'll start adding some more stuff. Man, it's gonna be mighty fine, I tell you. So stick around, y'all. We getting there. I just want to get the meat a little more browner, and the vegetables a little more translucent before I move on to the next step. I know a lot of y'all have been, really good to me and everything, and this right here is a new house that I had just purchased, and somebody sent me money for a new stove, right? Okay, and I know it's an old crappy stove, but everything in my house is going to be gas, and I put that money away, so I am going to use that money that you sent me to buy a new stove, to buy a gas stove in the future. It'll be probably within the next couple months. I'll have me a nice gas stove, and that'll be nice. Really nice. Next step is taco seasoning, and yeah, I'm using that of the packet. This is a 1 ounce packet. Gonna add that in there, and also I have another 1/2 packet, so that's 1.5 ounces. Just because I'm using a little more than 1 pound of meat. If you was using 1 pound of meat, I would just use 1 packet. Now let's stir that around just for a second, and then I'll show you what's up. So I stirred it around for just about a minute or so. Just I kept a stir on it. This is actually the first time I ever cooked it. My wife cooked it, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I thought it was just, oh my God, I thought it was so good. I'm adding a can of Rotel. This is a 14.5 ounce can with juice and all. Go ahead and throw that in there, and we'll give that a mix. Now what I'm going to do is I just filled this Rotel can about halfway full of water. I'm going to pour that in there, make a nice little sauce, and we're just going to let that just simmer together until that sauce reduces a little bit. There's so much flavor in this. Oh man, so much flavor. Probably gonna add a little, hold on, I'll show you. What we're gonna do now is a little bit of oregano, because oregano goes good with taco stuff. Just, I don't know, 1/2 teaspoon, whatever you like, guys. Oregano is delicious. And also we'll use the minced garlic from Family Dollar. Just about a teaspoon of that. Put that in there. Use more if you like. Give it a stir, and we're just going to let that simmer together for probably a good 10-15 minutes. Just at a low simmer. Now we're going to use, this is a 1 pound box of just regular old spaghetti noodles. We're going to use half the box, so it's a 1/2 pound of spaghetti noodles. We got boiling water that all I done to was add salt, and we're just going to cook them to the recommended time. We're going to cook these until they are al dente. Just follow package directions, guys. Package directions. I got one of them fancy pots. Look at this. Let me show you. It drains it. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Noodles are done, and our meat mixture is also done. Look at that. That looks good right there, guys. Really, really good. Drained our pasta. I did not rinse it or nothing. I just drained it. And we're gonna add the meat mixture into the pasta. Oh yeah. That smells so good. Make sure you get it all in there. And just mix it all together real good. Get it incorporated really, really good. Get all the meat and the noodles mixed together. Oh yeah. And I'll show y'all how we're gonna serve this. Right there's a plated dish. Don't that look yummy? And to top it off, some triple cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. Use pepper jack, Monterey, just any kind of cheese, queso, something like that. Just a little bit of cheese on. Don't need a lot. A little bit of green onion on top, just for some color. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks nice. Looks really, really nice. I like that. And that cheese will, because that stuff's so hot, that cheese will melt down real, real good. Finished plate, served with a little bit of, one little half slice of garlic bread. And let's give it a try. That's the only thing we got left to do, ain't it? Can you see me now?
Yeah, but I can't see your whole hat.
Let's give this a try. Hey, I put a dollop of sour cream on top of it, just for good measure, because I like sour cream, and you know, taco stuff goes good with sour cream. Or is it Missouri goulash? Did I mess it up by putting sour cream? Who knows? Let's give it a try. I tell you what, guys, that right there really is mighty fine. So much flavor in it. Got a little bit of kick to it, so that sour cream really helps mellow it down. Because if you know me, I can't handle spicy stuff too well. But I mean, it ain't too hot, but it is deliciously mighty fine. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all for another episode. And follow me on Facebook, and I also have a Patreon. If you want to help out there, it will help the channel grow. And I just want to keep getting bigger and bigger, guys. This is what I want to do for a living. And now that I got a new house and everything, hopefully I can produce a lot more videos for y'all. But hey, cheers, and I'll see y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoyed.